I know say us dey, but come make we talk true. Why you go load full shop of cement inside Suzuki mini truck? Haba, bro, easy now.
Hey man, what's your business, man? What's your business?
E get one man I sabi, he go load the truck sotey e go be like say the truck wan dey kneel down dey beg am. Suzuki truck no be trailer o, abeg no overload am.
Make you don't know nothing, man. You know what you are? EP, aka enemy of progress.
If you no wan kill your motor early, follow the weight limit. If e say 740 kg, no go load am with 2000 kg because you wan maximize profit. And if your motor dey bend go one side after you don load am, oga reduce the load. Another thing wey I want make you know be say if your motor don dey make small cry noise after you don load am pass the normal capacity, bros, that your shock absorber for your motor e don dey make preparation to write resignation letter. Bros, the only solution na to reduce the load.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get in Igbo. See you, Apple.